Hello, my name is Mark Searle, Global Director of Safety at IATA. I'd like to tell you about our safety conference in Marrakech this October. We're bringing all the stakeholders together in the aviation ecosystem to discuss how technology and innovation are enablers to a future, safer and more efficient aviation system. This year we are focused on 4 specific work streams, or tracks as we're calling them, relating to safety, cabin operations, crisis management and flight operations. We'll be making a specific focus on our current strategic priority around accident investigations. Accidents are not being investigated according to ICAO Annex 13. We want to know why and understand how we can develop solutions together with industry to ensure everybody learns from accidents that have gone on in the past. I'm also delighted that in our flight ops track we're now bringing in maintenance to ensure that we have a full operational picture from the moment that the aircraft is brought out of the hangar in the morning to the point that the aircraft finishes its flight at the end of that operational period. Cabin safety is particularly relevant this year with a number of events that have unfurled in the last 6 months. In particular, the amazing evacuation of Japan Airlines flight at Haneda, and also some issues we've been encountering around turbulence, and lithium-ion batteries still remains an issue that we've been discussing for a number of years. We'll be looking at how we can innovate in this space to avoid incidents occurring in the future. Join me at the IATA World Safety and Operations Conference this October in Marrakech with around 700 safety professionals to ensure that we continue to evolve aviation together.